Hello everyone, trust you're doing fine. I'm John, and in this video I'll show you how to create a signature in Outlook. To create a signature in Outlook, open your Outlook program, head down to File, then click Options. In the window that appears, select the mail and go to the Signature tab and click on that. So the signature and stationery will appear. Come and click New, and then name your new signature. In my case, I'll call it John's signature, and then I'll say OK. So the newly created signature should appear here. Come here and select in which email account the signature should be applied and whether the signature should be applied on new emails. And you can also say that the signature will be applied on replies or not. In my case, I will say none. That means signatures will not be applied on forwards and replies. Now come down here and create your signature now. So in this case, I'm selecting a font style. I want to go with Rattle, so you can go with any font style that you like. So here I'll come and start creating my signature. So I'm just going to write my name, John Mwangi Muridhi. Then down here I can write my YouTube channel. So in this case you can just write the company that you're working for. If it is yours, just write the name. In my case, I'm writing the name of my channel, in which case I'm the founder, so I'm just writing founder Get to Know It. And on top here I should write the name, which is Get to Know It. And then down here I can come and put my email address. And so that it looks more professional, I can also add an image or I mean a logo. I can add a logo below here just to make my signature look a bit more professional. So I'll go to this icon here, which will help me add a picture, in which case it will be my logo. So I'm going to look for it in one of my folders here. So creativity, then logos folder, and then Get to Know It. Then Get to Know It logo should be here. So I'm just going to select it and then I say insert, and then when you're done you just say OK. Make sure the logo is small enough. In my case, I had not resized the logo. So when you're done, come and click OK. And then also come and close this and you're done. So let's test that on a new email. So I'm going to assume that I want to create a new email, and so that we see whether we are going to see that. And as you can see, immediately when we create a new email, we'll be having the signature just below the email. And that's how you can be able to create a signature in Outlook. Hope the video was helpful. Kindly click that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos in future. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you in the next one.